HeartSelling demonstrates which behaviors damage trust and which behaviors build trust during negotiations. Like no other tool, it opens your group's eyes to the importance of cultivating trust in relationships. To make it easier for the group to disengage from the interaction activity when they come to the reflection stage later on, the trainer tells them a background story. We are on a foreign planet. It will soon be a public holiday, and the task of the 4 clans is to use smart trading tactics to create a shape that is as complete as possible. When doing so, they will be rewarded with points by the High Priest. Trading will only take place on 3 days. To trade, the clans will meet on the market square. Of course, many questions are left unanswered, and this makes the teams curious. At the start, each clan is given a bag of coins, which also count as points, as well as a starter set with the first parts of the shape. The instructions are also not very revealing. The 4 clans trade individual parts and information in order to create the still unknown shape in, wherever possible, only one color. However, one thing is fixed: they are not allowed to trade the home part. It determines the color of the shape that this clan is to create. Prior to the first trading day, the teams discuss their strategy. Do they want to try to gain the trust of their trading partners in order to get their hands on as many parts as possible? Or does only winning count, and the team chooses a suitably aggressive approach? Both the time allowed for discussions in the home area and during the trading phases only last a few minutes each. On the first trading day, the clans carefully check each other out. Decisions need to be taken quickly because the trading day will soon be over. With its aggressive approach, Team Red has successfully taken Team Green by surprise. So, some teams are happy with their trading performance, but others will need to rethink their strategy. Before the second trading day, 2 of the clans receive sketches of the final shape. One of them may be traded, but only in this round. The 2 other clans each receive a particularly valuable part, but in the wrong color. This forces everyone to spring into action on the market square. This trading day is also over very quickly. The last trading day approaches. What the clans don't know, they all now have a part that means losing points for those who possess it. So, they're faced with a dilemma. In order to avoid having points deducted, they must sell minus points to their trading partners. How they do this will of course have a significant impact on mutual trust. This is the last chance to trade, and consequently, the atmosphere on the market square is heated. Then it starts to get interesting. The delegates count their points, and the trainer checks whether they have counted correctly. Of course, the most points will be gained for a complete shape. Naturally, everyone is waiting with bated breath for the results of the count. But the task is still not over. The trainer now asks the clans to rate the behavior of the others on a fairness scale from -50 to +50 points. Which clans behaved unfairly and which were fair trading partners? First, the trainer presents the results of the point scores. This means there are losers and winners. And now it gets even more exciting. What effect will the fairness rating have? It gets particularly interesting when the results of the fairness rating are included in the total score. Because suddenly, the end results that the clans get are quite different from the initial results. This is where they get to see something that is not normally measurable. The key role played by communication on the emotional level between the trading partners. This makes HeartSelling a powerful tool for seasoned trainers. The detailed instructions provide a wide range of possibilities for successfully staging the activity, as well as for possible outcomes at the evaluation stage. This way, the tool can be tailored to many different situations. In sales, it can be used to examine the significance of sales cultures. Short-term and long-term strategies play a role here, as well as the importance of the relationship account. In negotiation training, HeartSelling illustrates how to deal with cognitive dissonance, how to integrate objections, and the art of negotiating under pressure. In communication training, it can be used to analyze the importance of non-verbal communication at the emotional level, what engenders trust, and how do disturbances in relationships occur. In change processes, it brings to light the values and subcultures hidden below the surface. And last but by no means least, the teams learn how best to reach agreements and delegate, as well as the importance of meeting cultures. HeartSelling is ideal for small to medium-sized groups.